Goodbye, Old Quarter. Goodbye, Hanoi. Let's go. Hello guys! Xin chào! This is Dave, Naparipot Traveler on Facebook. And ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Hanoi Airport. Uwian na. So, gumamit tayo ng airport transfer from Klook kasi 4 AM yung alis natin sa hotel. Thank you so much! Xin chào! Oh, xin chào! Come on! So, ayun yung airport transfer. Comment down ko yung link sa airport transfer and iba pa naming ginawa activities via Klook. And yung promo code ko, Dave Gino. Uwian na! Because it's just almost 5 AM, let's order lang muna here for breakfast. May mga banh mi, barbecue pork Apollo, Korean style. Banh mi, chicken teriyaki, pork, baguette. Our banh mi is beef bulgogi with passion fruit. Kain muna tayo guys kasi 4 hours before our flight pa. I think mga 3 hours before nag-open yung check-in counter. Sa 330 plus itong ating combination ng banh mi and drink. So kung isang banh mi lang, it's around 78 dong. Kaya na lang convert into pesos. So, kinonvert ko lang yung total. It's almost 5:40 and the line is starting to move. Ganda ng sunrise, oh. Right, so we just filled out our e-travel. So, that's online. Okay, yung e-travel, kung saan hingin yung personal information ninyo, travel history, your passport details, your personal details, ayun. And as of July 2022 of 2023, no more vaccination required or no more vaccination or COVID test required para makapasok tayo ng Pilipinas. And apparently, even sa airplanes, papuntang Pinas, hindi na required ang mag-face mask. Alright, ang ganda ng sunrise. Ang aliwalas ng airport ng Hanoi. Parang naiyak pero mas maaliwalas yung airport. The sunrise, it's there. We're leaving Hanoi. And the sun is saying goodbye to the 4 of us. The Hanoi sunrise. A smooth check-in process and bag drop as compared to Taiwan na very strict kaya super tagal ng pila. By strict meaning tinitimbang yung luggage. Kung lagpas, papagbayaran ka. So make sure very sakto talagang 7 kilos. For example, yung hand carry ninyo, if yun yung required na kilos, or mag-extra baggage na lang kayo para sure na di kayo magbayad sa airport. Okay? We're entering the immigration and kung nakikita nyo, bawal ang tubig. Okay? So make sure to drink all tubig na bit-bit ninyo bago pumasok sa immigration. Mali tayo ng pinilahan. Departure lang kasi yung label na nakalagay. So other side tayo. It's the same, pero ito letter A. So make sure dito kayo pumila ha. Grabe po yung pinagdaanan natin sa immigration. So far ito yung pinaka-strict na immigration na pinagdaanan ko. Nakatatlong check ng passport, tapos ang tagal ko sa immigration officer, like kinikilatis yung mukha ko, yung laman ng passport ko. Buti na nga lang may mga tatak eh. Kasi kung walang mga tatak, feeling ko naharang ako. Ganong level yung kastiktan nila na feeling ko maharang ako. But it's okay, diba? I think it's against illegal activities. Kaya strict sila dito. So just okay lang naman. na nagulat lang ako na ganito siya ka-strict pagdating sa immigration dito sa Hanoi, papuntang Naiya. So be prepared na lang kayo. Ganda ng view from the airport to. Bundok guys. Kahit sa airport, yung Vietnam, it screams nature, natural wonders. Share ko lang guys, may free pure drinking refill dito. And nadala pa natin yung tumbler natin from Halong Bay. So this one is glass. Kasi sa Halong Bay guys, bawat plastic. Okay, magkakaroon kayo ng fine if magbitbit kayo ng plastic. Yung mga plastic talaga, di na po yun binibit-bit. Char. So ito ay ano lang, nasa 30 dong lang to. Nakalimutan ko na magkanong 30 dong. Nasa around 40. So mura na siya. May free tumbler na tayo. Joke lang, nasa 70 ang 30,000 dong. Finally boarding. It's 8:30 in the morning. Obviously naman ang morning, diba? And konti na lang, we will say goodbye to Hanoi. Finally, we're in the Philippines. Grabe yung 3 hours na biyahe. Nakakapagod. Pero ayun, goodbye Hanoi na talaga. Super fun ng experience. Yung Vietnam, yung country na I think deserves more hype. Kasi ang ganda ng nature and the culture, very distinct. Yung tao ay friendly. So it's a country that I'd like to go back to. Yung Vietnam. Ganda ng Hanoi. Ang ganda ng Hanoi. And I think best experience ko din outside Hanoi was the Ninh Binh adventure. So Ninh Binh yung first capital of Vietnam. It's the first capital, first kingdom of Vietnam after silang lumaya from the Chinese. Yung ano namin doon, yung parang boat experience na around 2 hours. So kayo kung napanood yung vlogs ko sa Vietnam, ano yung gusto yung experience, yung mga activities na yon pwede nyo mabuksaklok. Okay? Pero comment ko yung link sa baba. Tapos pwede nyo gamitin yung 5% promo code ko. O kung may bago mang promo code, i-comment ko din sa baba. Ang alive pala ng airport, dumating ng, kapag dumadating dito ng around last lunchtime or after lunch, dami nag-aabang para magbenta. Ito na, immigration na tayo. Haba ng pila. For Filipinos, I believe very efficient yung process natin dito sa immigration kasi electronics na lang siya. So hindi tayo haharap sa tao. Though may option ka to really face an immigration officer. Pero ito, isushow mo na yung passport mo, fingerprints, your face, tapos bibigyan ka ng arrival stamp or sticker. Tapos dito, ididikit. Ayan, pages 6 to 42. Ibang-iba talaga yung airport ng ibang bansa. Like pagbungad mo maliwalas, yung Naiya, very luma yung dating. Anyway, I hope we improve our airports. Kasi of course, this is the gateway to the country. Yung airports, diba? Dapat pag napag pa lang sa aeroplano, believe na agad yung, mga travelers or foreigners sa airport. That's the start of the travel experience. And, ayun, very smooth yung process natin from Hanoi Airport to here. As in smooth siya. Although sabi ko kanina, I think yung Hanoi Airport yung pinaka-strict na airport na nadaanan ko. Especially sa part ng immigration, kung saan ilang beses chinek yung passport natin at talagang kinilatis yung mukha ko. Baka baka, baka ibang-iba yung mukha ko before versus may
So
mukha
much.
ngayon. Ayun, lalis ka natin, Andy.
I will let you send it.
Hello, bye-bye. Ingat.
Enjoy your dinner.
Yeah. Thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa ating Vietnam adventure. Sana mas marami pa tayong bansa na mapuntahan. Okay. And sana din mapuntahan niyo din yung mga bansa na ine-endeavor ko. Hindi naman kailangan maging mayaman para makapag-travel guys. Okay, tamang tipid lang as a Kuripot traveler. And tamang research, planning ahead, makakatipid tayo. So this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler on Facebook. And guys, let's live our best life. Pilipinas na. Bye-bye.